my new intro! Hey guys, welcome to another Party Pearls World video. Well, today I have some big news. I'm going to be unboxing some slime. So, let's get into this. Guys, we're almost... Okay, so... I'm just getting this open.
And destroy!
Why did you say that? Okay, but I love slime. Okay, so now, this is what it looks like. Butter slime. Okay, but let's see if we can do this. Okay, let's do this. Whoa. 3 different times of slime. Whoa. You can even make your own thing out of them, like, because we got some bead accessories, because we got some, like, beads, and we got some just things. We got some fruits, ice cream, pineapple, and watermelon. We got beads, fluffy beads. We also got, like, sprinkles, so we can put them on the, ice cream. And then, last but not least, we got little, like, mini fruities. That's really cool. Well, that's all for today, but I'm gonna have so much fun. So, I'm gonna make another video about me playing with all of these, making them, and showing you around them. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. Bye.